Right, boys, it has been 1 year since Soul Pump actually went live. I know some of you guys watch Soul Pump videos, some of you don't. There's something for everyone in Soul Pump, guys. Now, the team has distributed quite a lot of Soul Pump tokens. I get my daily case. I'm sure a lot of you guys would have seen the daily case. I think I've actually opened it today. You get it here, guys. You connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet up here and you'll be able to claim daily Soul Pump cases, which can give you up to 10 soul, which is pretty cool, guys. If you want to get daily cases, you can use code LEX. It's going to be in the description. But you can see here all time Soul Pump token has actually been trending upwards. Yeah, it's been super volatile. But sometimes when these coins launch, guys, you know, they have a super small market cap or they have a super high market cap, and then they end up just crashing from inception. And right now, you know, since I first started talking about Soul Pump, it was under 1 cent. It was about half a cent. Now we're sitting at 3 cents, so 300% gain you could have got just from getting free tokens, which is pretty cool, guys. I think what they're trying to do now is they're trying to build one of the best platforms, best gaming platforms on Solana. So yeah, it's going to have some degen stuff on there, but there is also the trading side that they've launched as well. They have been implementing burns and they've actually added support for Solana stablecoins, now USDT and USDC. And there's hundreds of KOLs playing and trading on it. Now, in the last video, I was showing you guys the terminal, right? Terminal is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. We actually set up some auto bots and I was showing you guys on the scanner. You've got a bunch of different coins here which you guys can come in and you can trade. You can also check out channels. So channels is going to be a place where you guys can follow different trading channels and you can autonomously just follow their trades. Okay, so we're going to see here, you know, Luigi's Call's got 112x. Potato Dev Gamble's got 136x. And if you think, you know what, it was like just a one-off, you can go to the side here and you can see their win rate. So it was like a 65% win rate with, you know, the 112x, Luigi's Calls giving you 48 calls and Potato Dev Gamble's giving you 14 calls. Okay, so 9 wins, 5 losses, 31 wins, 17 losses. This is going to help you guys pick who you want to follow trading. And a lot of you guys just don't have time to be, you know, especially if you're in the meme coin space. I've definitely made some good flips over the past year using meme coins, and remember, it is just quick flips. That's how I see it. I don't look at these things to invest for a long-term portfolio gain, okay? Whereas some people see it like that, I don't think it worked out that well, guys, okay? So you're going to see here, you've got the meme pool, very similar to things like Pump Fun, so you can get in on newly created coins about to graduate or graduated. You can then cross-reference that with Dex pool, with Dex tools even, or Dex screener. But one of the best things here was creating the Autobots. Now, if I go and I connect my wallet, let's connect my Phantom wallet actually. You're going to see here that I showed you guys how to set up some Autobots on the last one. Now, actually what I want to do is I want to stop these calls and I want to now follow Luigi calls. So it's very easy. You can see here, bot stopped just by clicking stop. We can go here, we can say source calls and we can type in Luigi's Calls. Lovely. Okay, and you can either do a buy strategy where you just buy X amount of a coin. You can do a fixed amount here. Okay, so remove. You can go to advanced and you can say here, right, we're gonna buy at a market dip. When the coin dips, say 50%, we're gonna enter. We can have a take profit target, right? We could take profit, you know, 50%, and we can sell 100% of our coins when the price increases 50%. We can sell, you know, 50% of our coins when the price increases 50%. And you can also add a stop loss here as well. Just make sure you've got enough gas. To be honest, if it's Solana, you shouldn't really need to be worrying about that too much, guys. But we can add that, right? And I'm going to say, you know what, Luigi's Calls has been pretty good. So I'm going to aim for a 500% before the next video, right? We're going to have a stop loss at 50%. And what we'll do is we can do the advanced setup. Perfect. And what we're going to do is we're going to implement one sol. Okay, so so once that's done, we activate bot, and then that is going to take from my wallet. Make sure you have got sol in your wallet here as well, guys. I'll put that in a minute. Right, I've got casino balance here because it is a casino. we're going to buy one Sol when Luigi calls actually does make his next call, and hopefully it doesn't drop more than 50% by that time, and hopefully we do get like another 500%, because then we can look at this and we're going to see here, you know, position should say plus 5 Sol if we can get a pretty good call, guys. Okay, so that's going to be pretty good. You can create lists here as well, so track and copy trades of the best performers. You've got callers here, Telegram users, you know, I might even set up one of my own accounts here that you guys could follow, but you can search here a bunch of different callers, go and look through who has been like the most profitable on here as well, go through their wallets, see what they hold as well. And remember, we do have our daily cases plus cashback, right? So I've still got a little bit of Soul Pump here from a daily case that I opened yesterday night, I think it was. Remember, you've got to use code LEX. If you do want to be accessing this stuff, guys, remember it's completely free. You guys don't actually need to invest anything, but if you do use code LEX, you should be able to get, you know, more cool stuff to come along the way, guys. So Soul Pump continues to pave the way Soul Pump continues to pave the way of what it means to be a new crypto casino platform or trading platform, an all-in-one platform, guys. Okay, and I think, you know, if Solana stays around, which I think it will, I think it's going to be the hub for, you know, this type of trading or gambling, stuff like that. You know, the ones that are at the forefront of this, like Soul Pump, are going to be the ones that profit the most. And again, you could profit from holding their token. Maybe this time in the next cycle we can go, oh my god, we opened so many daily cases and we've got X amount of Soul Pump token. Now Soul Pump token is worth whatever, right? It's only $4 million market cap. So to go to a $400 million market cap, we're looking at, you know, $4 Soul Pump. Okay, could be pretty insane. So again, check out Soul Pump, go set up an Autobot, let me know what you do set up, use code LEX in the description, go and check out their scanner, their meme pool, their Autobot, and if you want to be a DJ, you can go and you can play Crash, or you can play like Blackjack, Coin Flip, or Jackpot. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.